The privacy fence around our house will be well missed. It's going today. Did you get the combine going? Oh, that's good. Alright, I'll be out there here soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of the year again. It is harvest. Well, hook it up to the big disc. My favorite tool. Not really. I gotta find a hitch pin though. I don't think it's in here. No, it isn't. Oh, there's one process done. Xavier's helping me today.
Just a wee bit.
Just a hair.
Yeah.
So we gotta figure out which one of these hydraulic hoses it is. I think it's these two. And then we gotta hook up the crumbler too, so them ones are back there, I think. Dang kids. So now we gotta pick up this thing, put it on there.
Little squeaky brake.
Dang kids! But we gotta take the probably 7210 and pick it up. Because obviously they didn't put a jack under it, so. Rosie!
We might be able to get it.
Oh, I don't know. We'll take this over there. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put that down. I gotta take it over anyways. We got her hooked up. We're taking her across the road now to the shop. We got to pull it up on the concrete and pick up the tires and check them and make sure that there's none that's got any issues. As you can tell, I kind of cut myself on my face, so it's pretty close to my eye. I got very lucky. So we got this all hooked up. We're gonna take it up to Russellville here probably today. Everything is okay on it. Probably have to grab a extra tire, a spare tire, just to make sure we make it up there in one piece. So we're on our way over to Russellville now with this thing. This thing is so heavy and big that a lot of times we have to be careful with it, roading it, because it's a lot for these bearings on this wheel, on these wheels, and a lot for the tires too. So we try to kind of keep it slow and easy. And then once we get over to about to cross the river to go into Illinois, there's some bridges through there that we have to go over to the other side of the highway where it's lower from the bridge and drop down the disc a little bit to make sure we're not going to hit it. Some of them through here, through Vincent's, aren't that bad, but once we get over there to the other side of Vincent's, it gets kind of bad. So Xavier's here and he's going to video it for you.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be interesting.
I'm about ready to take on the Indiana-Illinois Wabash River Bridge. Alex driving, the expert.
Down the middle of the highway.
Got the disc that takes up both lanes.
This thing's huge. It's kind of scary going across here. Because you got a river beneath you and you never know how big this bridge, how much this bridge can hold. And then you get these people behind us, like what's in this black car back here, if Xavier will show you. See, he's being impatient, so he's getting right up on us. That's kind of normal. They like to do that a lot, especially when you're going 25 mile an hour down the highway. Getting ready to cross over to interstate in Illinois.
They get over it eventually.
Yeah, they get over it in a week to 10 days. Alright, we've made it.
Illinois, here we come.
So this here, we're discing just to kind of knock the weeds down so they don't seed out, which some of them might have already. But we're trying to make sure that we aren't really trying to get it to seed bed, but it'd be nice to. So then that way we don't have to bounce across it all year next year. But we're just trying to kind of work it down so we can keep our weeds under control. Obviously me, I'm weed control expert.
Pretty much.
But yeah, we're just going down. Kind of boring, but it's my favorite thing to do overall. Work around. Now we might come back through here and put cover crop in, but that's about as much as what we'll do with it, because obviously this late in the year there ain't much you can do, and this is too low to plant wheat on. So yeah, we're just kind of working it down, trying to get it to where it'll make it through the winter and we won't have any issues with it next year. So this field was full of corn at one point. Oh, he's already recording. I just gave him the GoPro. I'm coming out here to Dad. He's out here, so I'm gonna come out here to him and maybe ride with him for a little bit. I gotta show him paper for paperwork. And then who knows what I'll get to do for the rest of the day. Might run the grain cart, might run the combine, might drive trucks, who knows. It's the fun thing about harvest. It's always all kinds of interesting stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's that time of the year again. It is harvest. Oh, look at Alex over there. Oh, look, I don't know if he, hang on guys. Let me get up on top of the truck here and we can maybe see the combine dumping on the grain cart. Now, Alex will probably get you a better view because he's about to go ride in the combine with his dad. Maybe he might pick corn. Let's show you that. If he picks corn, maybe he'll get to run the grain. But if you look, you see the tractor, see the combine. Tractor's coming over here to dump on that truck in front of this truck. Maybe I can get a time lapse of that.
So me and Ross are out here. I had some stuff to do today, so Augie's running the combine right now. Dad had to go check and see what fields we're going to go to next. We're probably gonna finish up this field here behind the farm probably tomorrow, if we get up and get after it tomorrow. Ross is running the grain cart. We're chasing the combine, and I'm flying the drone. This is all kinds of fun. All kinds of interesting stuff going on.
I decided to let Alex run my grain cart.
It's not your grain cart. It's Zach's grain cart.
It's a community grain cart.
We'll see what they all say about that.
Yeah. There you go. So is that your combine?
Yeah.
So who's running your combine?
Dad.
Try again. I got Augie up here in the combine, and I decided to let him run this. But last time I let him run this, he broke it. So
That was last year.
yeah, last year.
Yeah, last year it was down at Bloods, and we was picking corn, and I turned on the PTO and idled it up, and then I blew the spider out of the auger.
When he means when he turned the PTO on, he had it all the way idled up, and then turned the PTO on.
Oh my, the good old days.
We will be back when we start dumping.
Dumping on the go. Oh, don't worry, Augie's making sure to catch it all on Snapchat.
Is he?
Yeah, look at him. He's in there with his phone. Poor grain cart drivers, they all gotta go through this.
Through what?
The entire drive all the way across the field.
Oh, but we get to go 26 mile an hour though.
Yeah, we do, get in a minute. I hope that you guys love me because I gotta wash off my GoPro already. First day of harvest. Look at it, it's all dusty. Oh my, that's gonna be so much fun. So, anyways guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. If you would, please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Yeah, harvest is here. This is day 2, really. Yeah, day 2, kind of.
Like 1.5.
Yeah, day 1.5. So remember all that fun, fancy stuff. We'll keep bringing you more videos of us shelling this. And I think Ross has something that he would like to say as well.
And we will see you in the next video.